Hello children, welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. In the previous session, we have discussed the topic output devices. Hope you all have understood the topic. Today, we will continue the same lesson, that is lesson number 1, a computer system. The objective of the day is to discuss about some common storage devices on page number 11. Before starting the topic, let us discuss the important key term. Storage devices used to store data and information. Now let's begin with the topic. Storage devices. The devices which are used to store data and information like pen drive, CD, hard disk, etc. Children, the data present in the computer is stored in different storage devices. So we will discuss about some common storage devices one by one. The first storage device is hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device inside the computer. Children, hard disk is present inside the computer. It can store a large amount of data which can be used by us in future. Hard disk is spelled with K in disk. It means the spelling of disk in hard disk is DISK. Children, next storage devices are CD and DVD. These are circular devices which is used to store data. The full form of CD is compact disc. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc. Children, the spellings of disk in compact disc and digital versatile disc are spelled with C in disk. CD has the storage capacity of 700 MB. The full form of MB is megabyte. MB means the storage unit. DVD has storage capacity up to 4 GB. GB means gigabyte. DVD can store data up to 17 GB. Next storage device is pen drive. The another name of pen drive is flash drive. Children, pen drive is the latest storage device. It can store up to 250 GB of data. It is widely used nowadays because it is easy to use and small enough to be carried around in your pocket. So today we have discussed the topics some common storage devices. Hope you all have understood the topic. Revise the important terms of page number 11. I will discuss the further topics in next session. Thank you and have a nice day.